today the topic of our storytelling session is The Man of Two Gardens. Once upon a time, in a long forgotten town, there lived two men. One of them was very poor, but he believed in Allah. He was thankful to Allah and lived a blissfully content life, pleased with what Allah has given him. The other man was too rich and wealthy. Allah gave him two beautiful gardens full of ripe fruits and green trees. Rivers flowed through the gardens. Allah also gave tremendous wealth and castles to him. The rich man was proud and greedy. He never thanked Allah for his blessing and bounties. One day, the rich man went into his garden. These castles and gardens are wealth will never end, and I will be rich in all my life, he arrogantly said while pointing towards his castle and trees. He enjoyed blessings and bounties of Allah from the two gardens of fruits. He had wealth beyond measures, but never gave anything in charity to the poor or to those who were needy. The poor man one day went to the rich man and said, "O you rich man, Allah granted you great bounties, and Allah will question you about them on the day of judgment. You should thank your Lord for these blessings and do not be fooled by all these wealth, and do not forget the day of judgment." The rich man got angry. "Quiet, you poor man, and do not advise me. I am far wealthier than you, and I have many children, and I own a lot of slaves and servants," he said with arrogance. Then the rich man laughed and said, "I do not believe there is a day in which I will be judged in, and who will judge me? And I am the owner of this abundant wealth and power. Even if I were go back to the Lord, and who would judge me after I die, as you claim? I would have a great reward and place, and much more wealth, because I am rich in this life. Do you not believe in Allah, O rich man? This is Allah who created you from dirt and provided you with all this great wealth, children, and servants. I am thankful to Allah for whatever He has given me. Allah has given you all these blessings, and He can take back from you," the poor man said, and prayed to Allah to guide the rich man. The next morning, the rich man visited his beautiful gardens with his usual pride and arrogance. There were a horrible sight. The gardens had become desolate and empty. All the trees had died. The leaves and fruit had fallen off. The river ran dry. There were a great flood, and strong winds destroyed all that was in the two gardens during the night, without the rich man ever noticing. He went about crying and weeping. He fell to the ground and sat down in great sadness and anger while saying, "I wish I had not associated partners with Allah and disbelieved in Him. I wish I had followed the poor man's request and thanked my Lord. But it was too late for that now, and crying and weeping did not benefit after he has lost everything." Thank you.